Located in northern Vietnam, bordering with China, Cao Bang Ban Gioc waterfall is a real remote area frontier. Explore this region is worth once in lifetime. Highlighted slide mountains up and down stretch to an end. Also green bamboo on the bank of blue river water that is magic. Friendly tribes for years in their own traditions shadow and stilt houses in front of rice paddy fields. Tours by locals design Cao Bang Ban Gioc waterfall 4-day trip to experience both culture and beauty of Mother Nature in Cao Bang frontier area. It is about to drive a long distance in the mountain roads upside down from Hanoi, so it takes time to enjoy slowly pace of the tour. Not just sitting in car to go over there for 7 hours. This is the reason why we only do private tour departure. No sharing group tour at all. Waterfall Cao Bang is one of main attractions surrounded by river, rice paddy, bamboo, caves, temples, so that tour will take you to see close your eyes. More detailed itinerary visit website www.tourguidevietnam.com.
Được chưa em nhé?